Good day to you, Omegans, in whichever part of the world and whichever part of the country you are in. Um, just so that you know, this is S.V. Krishnan, unveiling a new look for the COVID-19 period. First of all, to the handful of the contingent that has come and joined us in the offices in India, welcome back. We have had many milestones in the history of Omega, but today, Monday, 18th of May 2020, is yet another milestone. After an extended gap because of the COVID-19 situation, we have started enabling people to come from their locations to our office locations in a small number. We obviously want to make sure that we will enable more and more people to come in graded phases. We will make sure that through every possible channel of communication, through your team leaders, through your business heads, as well as through admin and HR partners, we will reach out to you. We will keep you informed as to when you can start moving work from home to the office. More and more of our customers obviously are looking to extending their partnership with us, not just bringing back their work volumes to pre-COVID numbers, but possibly going beyond that as well. So we definitely do look forward to having a blended model through which the work from home as well as work from office will be able to service our customers well. The government is obviously relaxing some options, particularly in India, in terms of travel as well as working. We will make sure that we adhere and possibly go beyond the expectations of the government in terms of sanitation, hygiene, safety of work, as well as social distancing. We will definitely make sure that your families, your friends, and yourselves are all assured that coming to work will indeed be a viable option. I would say that in addition to the physical health part of it, you must pay attention to mental health too. I'm sure there are multiple sources all across the media in terms of what helps. I know sometimes it's also confusing. So in addition to taking inputs from family and friends and from other channels, do feel free to use the channels that we offer through our HR initiatives. We have engaged with professionals who will help either through options like Parivartan or other platforms through which they will make sure that every type of support you need is provided. I again want to thank you all for your commitment in terms of serving our customers, whether it's from homes or from the offices. We particularly want to thank our IT and admin people. For many of us, May 18th is the first day we are coming back to office, but for IT and admin, even during the entire lockdown period, within the allowed permissible limits, they have been working throughout to make sure that you're able to work effectively from home, and now when we are starting working here, that you're able to work safely and effectively from the office as well. You do have, as I said, multiple channels for information about the work environment, both from work as well as office. One of those will be the handbook that has been updated. It is available on iLearn, so you will be able to refer to every little bit, and you will be also able to look at not just textual information but also visual information that will help you navigate through these sort of work environments, be it from office or from home. Thank you all once again. I look forward to connecting with you much more frequently in the near future.